Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make chin chin. What I'm doing right now is pouring some milk into the flour, and then I'm putting some sugar into that mixture. So I did use a recipe I learned online via Price Pally, and it was like the chin chin did come out very good. So I'm putting a good amount of sugar because I like sugar, and then I'm putting salt because it says to put salt. So I did put just a little bit of salt, not too much because you don't want your chin chin tasting like salt. And this salt is the one we use at home, so you can use any type of salt. Now I'm using butter for baking. This is Three Kings, and it was very good. I actually put a good amount of it, and it made my chin chin taste so yummy. Though he made my dough look yellow. So yes, I did put a good amount of butter rather, chin chin butter. Yes, and so I'm just putting chunks. I'm putting chunks. I guess it's not enough for me, but I'm putting chunks of it, and then right after, I'm going to mix this together. That's the first step. So you put your flour, your sugar, your salt, your milk, and your butter, and you mix it together with your hands. So yes, you mix it together with your hands, and then you let the you well we'll go through the rest of the processes together. So now I'm just mixing it all together until it turns into dough. Now, mind you, because my milk was evaporated, it was already liquid, so I didn't have to put in water. So you don't put any water because you don't want your dough to be like liquidy. But if you put powdered milk, then you should put in some water. So now I'm pouring my egg in, and I use one egg. And now this is the dough, and I let it rest for 15 minutes after putting it together. And now I'm kneading just a part of it. So I just took a small part of it and I'm kneading it. I put flour on the pistol before because my dough was very buttery. I had to put more flour. And then I had flour on the chopping board, and I'm just cutting parts of those dough I have flattened out. And I'm just cutting them vertically, and then I'm chopping them into bits, cutting them into bits now. Yes. And right after cutting them into bits, they're on a tray that has flour on it. So I just put flour on a tray, and then I put all of them in. And this is the fried result. Yes. So I would like you to subscribe, and I want you to let me know if there's a special video you want me to see. So you want to see rather. So subscribe.